Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Podium for texting leads and follow up step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Podium. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Podium website. Look for the Login button, usually located in the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the Login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check both entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Podium dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the messaging section to start texting leads. Click on the messaging option to access your contacts. Select the lead you wish to follow up with or send a message to. Type your message in the text box provided. Review your message for clarity and correctness. Finally, click the Send button to deliver your message to the lead. This process allows you to efficiently follow up with leads using Podium. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.